Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Roche, aka Beauty Mags. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys my thoughts, and this is about my opinions or my experiences here in YouTube over the years. And recently, with these ways, I was able to earn a little bit more than what I used to. So, what are the 10 ways of increasing your revenue here in YouTube? Then please keep on watching. Hi guys, so today's video is about 10 ways on how to increase your YouTube revenue. If you are a small YouTuber, you need this. You better hear me and listen to this. Write down, take notes. I hope this will help you in your journey here in YouTube. Like you, I'm also a small YouTuber, but with this ways, guys, it does really help what to film, improving content's quality, and share some ideas that is applicable to all of you out there who is a YouTuber or content creator. Okay guys, so let's get to the chase. Number 1, you should know how to use or check your CPM. CPM is cost per mil, and also your RPM, which is revenue per 1,000 views. Okay, so revenue per 1,000 views, the formula, if interested, that would be playback CPM times 45%. If you want a shortcut, 0.55, that will be your RPM. Okay, and times the number of views divided by 1,000, that will be your estimated revenue. Just learn the formula. Where do you find your CPM and RPM? You can use your phone, YouTube app. Under analytics, go to revenue. There you can see your RPM and your CPM. Basically, it's just a general average there, and the YouTube app if you're using your phone. But if you want to do more on detail, go to the desktop. It's much more detail there. You can see the flow of your RPMs. In order for you to get more more revenue, check your CPM daily. You go to analytics, custom date. You want to promote that video, any type of social media platforms, use that for your advantage, just to get your message across or to promote your video. Tip number 2, using live stream, or you can do super chats, super stickers using Premiere. And I think that is the very easy way of increasing your revenue, especially if you have loyal audience. Do that. You can make more money out of it, and there are a lot of people that are generous, so if you are doing that more often, then you can gain more. Tip number 3, your content must be searchable. You should know your niche. Niche is something you are interested in, and there are many. If you like to cook, focus on food, baking, focus on content. It should be consecutive. Don't mix any content. You can mix if you are already put out a lot of contents based on your niche. That way you can gain more traffic on your channel. Okay, so if you can do food, fitness, health, you can do meditation, you can do travel, lifestyle vlogs, makeup, anything is possible here. So yeah, know your niche and make a good content out of it. And how are you going to know what content? Go to search on YouTube, incognito mode, type in how to. If you know how to cook, you should say how to cook, and there you can see all the information there. Okay, copy that and make a video out of it. Number 4, this is very important. Okay, this is the most important thing. Keywords. Yes, keywords is important to drive traffic, to gain ads, or more ads to your channel or to your video. And the more ads, the better revenue. The more you make contents out of it, you would know the rate of that video. So make note which one does make more money. And using Google Ads, if you know how, and it's free and there's nothing to pay on that. If you want me to do a tutorial on that for Google Ads and how to use it, then comment down below. And it's very, very useful, not only as a YouTube content creator, but also if you are a writer, blogger, if you have a website, and what words to write in that can drive traffic to your website. Number 5, monetization. Yes, there are plenty of ads of what format you can use, but for me to drive more revenue, I skip overlay ads. I rather just uncheck that instead, and I prefer running ads. Running ads give me more revenue, rather than those overlay ads, banner ads, or the side ads. For me, running ads is more better in gaining me more revenue on a certain video. Number 6, longer videos. The longer the video, the better the revenue. And why is that? Because you can put ad breaks, instead of, if you're gonna put a 6-minute video, the ads will only be the beginning and the last, right? Rather than if you do a 8-minute video, you can do every minute. See, the chances are with that 8-minute video, let's say 8 ads, maybe YouTube can put 3-4 ads on that, then what is it? It will give you more money, right? So yes, longer ads, the better. Number 7, you should market yourself. Put your new video to Facebook, Instagram, any social media platforms, FB page, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter. If you have a vlog site, do that, or website. Yeah, put your videos out there. The more traffic you gain from your video, the more income you can get. Number 8, audience retention. Yes, the better percentage you get from your video, the retention, meaning new visitor is watching your videos longer. So if they stay longer, YouTube likes that. In order to see that, go to your analytics, check your audience retention. If it's 50%, chances are that video will get more high CPM. So once you get that information, create another video similar to that so you can gain more. Number 9, make your video a suggested video. How can you possibly do that? Engagement is important in a video. So the video, comments and suggestions in the description box is very, very important. The more engaging your audience or your visitor to your channel, the better it is. YouTube likes that. So you can be friendly. It's not only about engagement, but also your content, how informative you are. The more knowledge, or the more people can get something out from the video, they like it, and probably you can get better engagement, and then most likely that video will rank higher. The last one, the number 10, what is it? End cards. Yes, end cards is very, very important. Why is that? Because the longer watch time, the better for YouTube. Okay, so it's about audience retention. Encourage your audience to watch till the end of your video and watch your end cards. Tell them that you have a recommended video. Encourage your audience to watch that video so they can learn again another one. And the more time they spend on your channel or on your video, the better it is for you and your, yes, set that up ahead of time before publishing your video. Okay, so that's it. That's my 10 ways of increasing your CPM, RPM, or bottom line revenue here on YouTube. I hope you enjoyed this video, or I hope you learned something out from this video. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, comment down below. Alright guys, so this is it. This is my video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.